Hi, it's Jen, and as you can see, it's the Christmas season. It's so magical. Just look at the amazing projects both on set behind me and on the table. Thank you so much for being a part of our larger family here at Shabby Fabrics. We love creating new content for you, and as you can see, these are the types of projects you could be gathering around with your family to make in just a short amount of time. We put together a really fun playlist. Scrap fabric, grab what you have, grab your family, make some memories. And I want you to know there is so much coming your way in the new year. Our design team is working harder than ever before with the focus of creating new and exciting content that you don't want to miss out on. There's so much to look forward to. We are so blessed by you, and we wish you a blessed Christmas, a happy Hanukkah, joy in the new year, and I will absolutely be seeing you on many more Shabby Fabrics videos to come.